Good morning to you all. Am I audible?
Good morning, sir.
आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
Yes. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Class. Hope you all seen the numerical which I have shared in the Google Classroom. So has anybody seen the numericals which I have uploaded in the Google Classroom? किसने देखा है? Google Classroom में मैंने कुछ न्यूमेरिकल जो क्लास में कल कराया था उसके अलावा एक दो एक्स्ट्रा न्यूमेरिकल मैंने शेयर किया था. किसी ने ट्राई किया है? किसी ने ट्राई नहीं किया है? किसी की आवाज नहीं आ रही है, मतलब किसी ने ट्राई नहीं किया है. ओके. So I'm going to share the whiteboard. Whiteboard देख पा रहे हो?
Yes.
Okay. So yesterday we have seen modulation index and the standard form of standard method of evaluating the modulation index. So today we will see different cases based on the value of modulation index. What will be the values of modulation index, and based on that, what that type of modulation index is known as. So there are three cases. So the case which we have seen earlier. Okay. So
Sir, can you repeat, sir, what you told, sir?
I have told that yesterday I have shared some numerical except the numericals which I have discussed in the class. So has anybody gone through those numerical problems? No. So अभी मैं जो डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ वो डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ कि कल हमने मॉड्यूलेशन इंडेक्स देखा था. मॉड्यूलेशन इंडेक्स को कैसे स्टैंडर्ड मेथड से कैसे निकालते हैं वो हमने देखा Vmax और Vmin के टर्म्स में. So today we will see different types of modulation index based on their values. They are named with different names. उन्हें कुछ अलग अलग नाम दिया गया है based on their values. Okay. So I am drawing a picture for showing that particular thing. Okay. So this is T, this is T, and this is T. Now, okay. So this is the message signal. Okay. which is superimposed on the carrier signal. Again, we will have the another case where this touches the zero level. Again, this touches the zero level. And the third case is this passes through the zero level. So handwriting उतना अच्छा नहीं है, but try to understood this. So what here I am showing. So I think it is visible to you all. That
Yes.
is- yeah, okay. So this is the carrier signal, what I am drawing. Based on the amplitude of the modulating signal, the amplitude of the carrier is varying. Okay. So in the first case, you can see that there is V min. So this value we earlier, yesterday we have seen this value from this much to this much is interpreted as V min, and V max is the value up to this to this. So this was the V max and this was the V min. यहाँ से यहाँ तक जो value था वो V min था, हमने कल देखा था. Okay. So there is a case when there is a value of V min, but here in this case, so in figure 1, figure 2, and figure 3. So in figure 1, you can see very easily that there is a V min value, but in figure 2, there is no any V min value. मतलब V min क्या है? Second वाले केस में V min 0 है ना? Second वाले केस में V min 0 है. तो तीनों ही केस का अलग अलग जो नेमिंग है वो हम देखेंगे. तो इस केस में क्या देख रहे हैं कि जो हमारा मैसेज सिग्नल है वो दूसरे साइड में भी चला गया है. दूसरे साइड में भी चला गया कहने का क्या मतलब है? मतलब यहाँ तक आया, then there is a phase reversal, then yeah, this again here. Okay, so in the first case में क्या है? First case में जो modulation index है, so this modulation index m is greater than 1. So what is the value of m? What is modulation index? Modulation index is the ratio of Vm by A, where what is Vm? Vm is the maximum amplitude of the modulating signal and A is the maximum amplitude of the carrier signal. So अगर m greater than A है मतलब क्या है? Vm greater than Vm जो है वो greater than है किससे? A से. Okay. So in this case, so this case is called as what? What this is named as? Can anybody tell me?
सर अगर MA is greater than 1 है तो it means over modulation होगा ना. तो यहाँ फर्स्ट केस तो अंडर मॉड्यूलेशन है तो MA is less than 1 होगा ना.
If Vm is greater than A, if Vm is greater than A, then
No
it-
sir.
yeah.
मेरा बोलने का मतलब है कि जो अगर MA हम ग्रेटर देन ले रहे हैं तो वो तो ओवर मॉड्यूलेशन हो जाएगा. और यहाँ पे फर्स्ट के फिगर 1 में है क्या कि अंडर मॉड्यूलेशन, तो इट मींस MA इज लेस देन 1 होगा ना.
Yeah, it should be less than 1. Okay, yeah. So it is m is what? M is the modulation index, and we
मॉड्यूलेशन
already-
इंडेक्स.
yeah,
यस सर.
m is modulation index, and this modulation index for properly getting the for properly detecting the modulating signal, it should be less than 1. Yeah, it should be less than 1. It should be less than 1. So what is this? And this type of modulation is known as
Under modulation.
This is known as under modulation. So Vm by A, this ratio is known as the modulation index. And for this case, here, the maximum amplitude of the modulating signal is less than the maximum amplitude of the carrier signal. So for that case, this should be equal less than 1. In the second case, you can see that both the signals are touching each other. So positive side और negative side. तो यहाँ पर फर्स्ट वाले केस के लिए हम क्या देख रहे हैं कि अगर हम ओनली सिर्फ इस पॉजिटिव हाफ के सिग्नल को अगर हम डिटेक्ट कर लें at the receiver, then we can find out this part of the signal. सिग्नल का जो ये पार्ट है, जो हमारा मैसेज सिग्नल है, हमारा मोटो क्या है? मोटो हमारा है इस सिग्नल को डिटेक्ट करना एट द रिसीवर साइड. सो वी कैन इजीली डिटेक्ट दिस signal at the receiver side if we are able to detect this much of signal only. Okay. In the second case, again, this is the signal which we want to detect. So here m is equal to 1. So if m is equal to 1 means say that it means to say that what? Vm
Critical
by
modulation.
that is Vm is equal to A. Okay. So Vm is equal to A. What is Vm? Vm is this value. So Vm is equal to what? A. A is what? A is this. So Vm is equal to A in this case. So when this is known as, for this case, it is known as
Critical modulation.
it is critical modulation. And the third case, you can see that if we want to detect this signal, the modulating signal from this modulated signal, in this case, what we can see?
Overlapped.
Yeah, we are observing that this part of the signal, the positive part has gone to the negative side, and this negative side has come to the positive side. So we need to detect this type of signal not very easily, because here one more problem is there. यहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है कि इस पोर्शन में जब यहाँ पर सिग्नल पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव साइड में चला जा रहा है, तो जो कैरियर सिग्नल है उस कैरियर का फेज रिवर्सल हो जाता है. यहाँ पर ये सिग्नल आया, अगेन यहाँ, सो फेज रिवर्सल कहने का क्या मतलब है? यहाँ पे पिक्चर को बड़ा करके थोड़ा दिखाता हूँ. दैट अभी जो हमारा कैरियर सिग्नल है, सो दिस इज आवर मॉड्यूलेटिंग सिग्नल. सो हमारे पास ये वाला पार्ट अभी आ रहा है, इसे मैं थोड़ा एनलार्ज करके दिखा रहा हूँ. और हमारे पास जो कैरियर है वो क्या है? या कैरियर अभी ऐसा आ रहा है, ऐसा यहाँ तक आया. इसके बाद क्या होगा? ड्यू टू दिस रिवर्सल ऑफ फेज और द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द मॉड्यूलेटिंग सिग्नल, द फेज ऑफ द कैरियर चेंजेस. तो यहाँ पर क्या देख रहे हैं? जो कैरियर का फेज है वो ड्रामेटिकली चेंज हो जा रहा है पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव साइड में. जैसे यहाँ पर ये सिग्नल आया, सो इट शुड गो डाउनवर्ड. इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट it is changing its phase. So due to this phase reversal, there is a problem while detecting the modulating signal from the modulated signal. So in this case, m is greater than 1, and that is Vm is greater than A. So this is known as over
modulation.
Yeah. This is known as over modulation. So these are the three cases which you should know. So for proper detection, we can use under modulation as well as critical modulation, but we cannot use this over modulation. This is omitted because in this case we cannot detect the signal properly. There is a change in the shape of the signal. Now there is a question. All of you have to do this. An audio signal. We have an audio signal which is represented as 30 sine of 2 pi 2500t. So this is amplitude modulated. This is an audio signal. Which is amplitude modulated. This signal amplitude modulates the carrier, which is described by. So carrier is 65 sine of 2 pi 250,000t. Okay, so this carrier is modulated with this audio signal. So you have to sketch the audio signal. What you have to do, very first question is sketch the signal. B part is, so you sketch the signal means to say that you have to sketch the audio signal as well as to sketch the modulating carrier signal. So audio and carrier. B part is sketch the modulated signal. So can anybody sketch on your copy and share your screen so that I can see that? Modulation index. Third part, you have to find out the modulation index. So if anybody has completed that, then tell me, I will allow you to share the screen. D part, you have to get that. Frequency of audio and carrier signal. E part is frequencies present in the modulated spectrum. So this match you have to do. So can anybody, has anybody sketched the audio and the carrier signal? So in the audio and carrier signal, you have to show the amplitudes of the signal. You have to show the amplitudes of the signal. Okay. Going for the second page.
सर हेलो सर
Yeah.
सर एक बार स्लाइड शो कीजिए ना सर वो वाला ओके सर
So has anybody drawn that audio and the carrier signal and write down the frequencies present in the signal? So first tell me what is the value of VM, A, FC, FM. Tell me these values. So all of you should know VM, what is VM, what is A, what is FC, and what is FM. What is the value of Vm? From equation, you can easily find out
30.
So yeah, so Vm is nothing but 30. So this equation you can resemble with Vm sine 2 pi fmt. इस इक्वेशन के साथ कंपेयर करेंगे इस इक्वेशन का, और यहाँ पर क्या है, a sin 2 pi fct. इस इक्वेशन से इस इक्वेशन को कंपेयर करेंगे. हाँ, जब कंपेयर करेंगे तो इजीली वी कैन फाइंड आउट द वैल्यूज ऑफ a, vm, fc एंड fm. Okay, so what is vm? Vm is 30. What is the value of a? It is 65. What is value of fc?
25,000.
का सर 25.
2,50,000.
Yes,
2,50,000. Okay, because there are 4 zeros, no? Yeah, there are 4 zeros.
sir, right. Right.
Yeah, so fm is 2500. As you can see, fm is 2500. So from this data, can you draw the signal from this data? If you want to draw the audio signal, and if you want to draw the carrier signal, so what you will draw here, you will draw it just as you can see that is a sinusoidal signal. It is a sine wave. So you will start it from 0. Okay. So what is the maximum amplitude? Vm is 30. So here it should be minus 30. So if anybody asks you about what is the peak to peak voltage, what is the peak to peak voltage, VPP? If anybody asks you this VPP, then it will come to what?
30.
It should be 60. If anybody asks you V peak to peak, so peak to peak means what? From upper peak to the lower peak. Okay. If anybody asks you V peak to peak, this peak to peak means what? From upper peak to the lower peak. What is the total amplitude? It is 30 plus 30. So it should be 60. Okay. And if you want to draw the carrier signal, again, the carrier signal is also a sinusoidal signal. So you have to start from here. So this carrier signal will have the amplitude of what? 65. So here it should be minus of 65. So this is nothing but this is xt, that is the modulating signal or the audio signal, and this is the ct, the carrier signal. Okay. So now we want to draw the modulated signal. So you can easily see that here the amplitude, that is a, that is Vm is less than a. So what this case represents? Which type of modulation is this? You can see that
Under modulation.
Yeah, this is Vm is less than a. So this is the case of under modulation. Okay. So this is the case of under modulation. Now tell me or draw the amplitude modulated wave. So you have to draw the amplitude modulated wave. So how you can draw? So firstly you have the sinusoidal, the carrier signal as up to 65. Okay. So you can draw the carrier signal as this. Now, if the okay, so let me take some another color. What is happening? Let me take some another color. Okay. So if this is 65 and you have to take the modulating signal from this reference itself, so the modulating signal will be like this. So actually I have done this here very well. Can you understood what I have what I am doing? That this is a carrier signal and this carrier signal will go up to this much. Okay. Now what are the values? What are the values? So up to this much. What is this? What is this? This is 30.
30.
So what is the value of Vmax? What is the value of Vmax here? It should be 65 plus 30, that is 95. And what is the value of Vmin? What is the value of, what should be the value of Vmin?
35.
It should be 35. This 65, up to this much it is 65, this much is 65. And this is what? 30. So I am asking about what? I am asking about Vmin. So what is this Vmin? Vmin is this. So if this is Vmin, it should be 65 minus 30, that is 35. So you can calculate modulation index. You can also calculate modulation index from here, but this is a standard method for calculating modulation index. So here, what was the formula? Yesterday we have calculated Vmax minus Vmin by Vmax plus Vmin. Okay, so Vmax minus Vmin by Vmax plus Vmin. Okay, so by putting the values here, you can calculate the modulation index. So now this much we have done. Now the next part is you have to find out the carrier and audio frequencies. What is the carrier and audio frequency? So carrier and audio frequency we have already found out. Now we have to calculate the spectrum analysis of the modulated wave. The spectrum of modulated wave in the frequencies present in the modulated spectrum. Modulated spectrum means the modulated wave का जो spectrum होगा वो.
FC minus FM,
Yeah,
FC plus FM.
तो हमारे पास मॉड्यूलेटेड वेव का जो स्पेक्ट्रम आएगा उसमें क्या क्या तीन कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं. एक कैरियर का पार्ट आता है, एक अपर साइड बैंड आता है और एक लोअर साइड बैंड आता है. सो कैरियर का जो पार्ट होगा एक हमारे पास मिलेगा
FC.
या हमारा जो हमने जो पिक्चर ड्रॉ किया था प्रीवियस क्लासेस में, यहाँ ये FC था. This is FC plus FM and this is FC minus FM. Okay, so here are the three frequencies which are present in the signal. So FC हमें मालूम है, FC FM हमें मालूम है. So what will be the bandwidth? What is the bandwidth?
2 FM.
So how you can calculate 2 FM? So this is the upper
सर
band.
FM हमको पता है. हाँ सर.
This is the upper band, this is lower band. So you can minus it out. So FC minus FC plus FM में से FC minus FM को minus करेंगे, then what we will have? FC plus FM minus of FC plus of FM. So FC cancel, so it will be
2 FM.
twice of FM. तो जो हमारा जो मॉड्यूलेशन इंडेक्स सॉरी एम्पलीट्यूड मॉड्यूलेशन में जब दोनों साइड बैंड्स हों और कैरियर वाला पार्ट भी हो, इन दैट केस द बैंडविड्थ विल बी ट्वाइस ऑफ FM, दैट इज ट्वाइस ऑफ द मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी प्रेजेंट इन द मॉड्यूलेटिंग सिग्नल. ओके, मॉड्यूलेटिंग सिग्नल में जैसे हमने जो कल एग्जांपल लिया था उसमें F1, F2 और F3 तीन फ्रीक्वेंसीज थे. Okay, so within that those three frequencies, whatever be the value of maximum frequency, मतलब F1, F2, F3 में तीनों में जो maximum होगा उस पर डिसाइड होगा कि हमारे एम्पलीट्यूड मॉड्यूलेशन का बैंडविड्थ कितना है, सिग्नल का बैंडविड्थ कितना है. सो विच विल बी ट्वाइस ऑफ FM, where FM is the maximum frequency available in the modulating signal. Okay, so from this question we have seen a lot of things which is not present here over here, जो कि यहाँ पर नहीं है. हम वो सब भी कैलकुलेट कर लिए हैं और देख चुके हैं कि कैसे मॉड्यूलेशन इंडेक्स और बैंडविड्थ को हम लोग कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज ओवर हियर. Now I am giving you one more question. I'm giving you one more question, which is from the book itself. In the exercise. So, what are the books you have? What are the books you have?
Sir, no.
Okay, till now you don't have any book.
Sanjay Sharma, sir.
Sanjay Sharma. Okay, so in Sanjay Sharma also there are a number of problems in examples as well as in the exercise. So you can go through all those examples, which will benefit you a lot. So I
Okay,
think.
sir.
Yeah. So before going to the next numerical. We are evaluating the efficiency of amplitude modulated wave as m square plus by 2 plus m square. We have to find out this formula also. Okay, so what we have earlier, the simply modulated signal is represented as a cos of omega ct plus a ma by 2 cos of omega c plus omega mt plus a ma by 2 cos of omega c minus omega mt. We have already calculated we have already evaluated or find out this expression in the previous class. If you are not present, then you can go through this video. Okay, so in this equation we have three parts: the carrier part, the upper sideband, and the lower sideband part. So from this we have to calculate the total power. So the total power, you already know that total power is the carrier power PC plus the sideband power. So what is the value of the carrier power? What is the value of carrier power? We have the carrier power as a square by 2 plus, what is the sideband power? What is the sideband power? We have, so the sideband power, this part and this part. So from both of these parts, we can calculate the sideband power as a ma by 2 the whole square. So how we have calculated this? We have seen this in earlier class also. So the total power PT is nothing but a square by 2. If we take it as common, then it will be 1 plus ma square by 2. We have already seen this. So what should be the efficiency? Efficiency should be the sideband power to the total power. So what is the sideband power? We have calculated m square, sorry, this will be m square a square by 4. So what we have done that m square by 4, that is whole square tha 2 plus, so for both the side bands, m square a square by 4. So this will be divided by 2 because when we are evaluating that portion, we have a portion of cos square t, which is taken as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 वाला जो part है, उसके कारण ये 2 आया है. Okay, and the total power, what we have seen here also, a square by 2, 1 plus m square by 2. a छोड़ देते हैं. We are just putting this. So what we can see here, this a is taken out, a square is taken out. So this is a square by 2. This a square by 2 has cancelled out. So we have what? M square by 4 and m square by 4. That is m square by 2 by, नीचे क्या बचा है? 1 plus. So यहाँ पर आएगा 2 plus m square by 2. Okay, 2 is LCM here. और यहाँ जब LCM लेंगे, LCM क्या? m square by 4, m square by 4. That is m square by 2. Okay, so you can calculate it very easily. So in this way, we have got this 2 plus m square. Okay, so this is the efficiency in terms of modulation index also. Okay, now you can put the different modulation indices and find out the efficiencies. Okay, now we are going to take another problem. So I think the time is over for now. So please join the class again. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm just stopping this sharing. So is there any problem within this? Up to this, what we have shared. So is there any problem? Okay.
No, sir.
So now Jyoti is joining. So please join again. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.